comments, I got a question like, what is the job scenario for chemical engineering in USA after masters? So if you're planning or in a master's program in chemical engineering, I think this is one of the relevant question. It will be based on my experience and based on which college or geography you are. It might vary also. So if you are in Texas, where there are a lot of chemical engineers, getting a job would be pretty easy. So based on my experience, I could in short say it is tough and challenging, but on contrary, 80 to 90% of students who were studying with me got jobs after studying the master's coursework. So I think if you have a prior experience of applying job in open market back in India, it will be kind of moderate for you. So based on my experience in India, I got my first job out of campus, and I had never applied in open market, so I think it is challenging. So if you want to just finished their undergrad and are coming here for masters and has never applied in open market, then I can say it surely will be challenging. So I could say even I felt GATE was easier because lot was predictable. So after getting rank, you know what to expect it. So if you are getting a rank 50, you know which companies you could get a job in. But when you apply in open market, there is a lot of unpredictability. You don't know your competitive pool, like whom you are competing against. So in India, if you have applied and got job in open market, I think you will find experience finding a job in USA kind of moderate. Based on my experience, when I first came and started the master's program, I got advice from my senior on starting applying for jobs on day one of my program, and I was like, this was really surprising. And I was thinking, like, I just started, like, how can I apply this soon? But the key to get a job is start early as possible. So start early for internship or job is a good advice I'll also like to give you. So this will help you work through your resume and also understand the type of jobs and the job market and what kind of skills that you will need to get your desired job or specialization. So you while doing coursework, you can also plan taking some kind of courses that will help you get your desired job. And so when your college starts, it gets super busy, and starting and planning will help you get job comparatively easier. So just like how important is to understand a job market. So I had also applied a job in Alaska. So I didn't know what was the geography of Alaska. So it is 6 months sunshine and 6 months of night, and I just applied it because I didn't know. So here I'm giving you some kind of like what are the different avenues to land in the jobs after the masters. So what kind of avenues are there? The first one is career fairs. So a lot of companies come in a fair. It's like a fair, put a lot of booths over there, and you get a chance to talk to the recruiter and the person who is working in that particular company. So you can have different companies, 3M and everyone, like companies come here, and they have the people who are working there, and you get a chance to talk to it. So you have to introduce yourself in like a 1 or 2 minute, learn about the roles and the companies or what are the job offerings opening up, and you submit a resume. So if your resume stands out, or your personality or how you talk, you get shortlisted for interview and move from then onwards. The second is companies on campus. So companies looking to hire might organize events or directly job interviews, and you need to attend those events and or send your resumes if they're conducting interviews. So that is the second avenue. The third is networking. Thing is like talking to people, learning about them and their job profiles or their interests. So events like talk show or new technologies are good forums to make connections of people who work there. So if you match the vibe, and okay, so you and the other person both are interested in battery, and he is working as a battery scientist, so you can learn about what kind of projects they are working. So that's how you network. And if they happen to know you really well, so this people can provide you referral, which can help you get shortlisted for interviews relatively easier in that company. So that is a helpful skill, and talking to people always helps. So and the fourth is open market. So I guess LinkedIn or Indeed or Glassdoor or any job openings in the relative company profile, so they will list the job opening and you apply, like whatever is asked, resume, cover letter, you apply, and then you can land for the interview. So in general, applying to about 100 to 800 jobs is pretty standard. So as I said, you can get in the first 10 or you can get in the last 10, but you have to prepare to face rejection or being ghosted after applying. So I told you it's very unpredictable. So here, for most of the time, you don't know your competition pool. So even in a job applications, you're meeting 100% of the qualification, but you never got shortlisted because I think they might be under a more experienced candidate. So you don't know your competition pool. So just keep on applying. So for jobs also, if you match 40 to 50% of job requirements and you like the job and the company, just make sure to apply, because you never know, you could get shortlisted. But like if you're genuinely interested and even fall some short of some qualification, you can still get the job. So, and also understanding the visa situation is very, very important. I think the process is no doubt overwhelming, but based on skill and interest, most of the chemies land in the job. In short, it will be a lot of learning. Talking to people and communication skills are very, very important, and you will just have to learn that. So planning and working towards that direction will be your way through. I hope this helped you understand the job scenario in USA.